Hey guys, what's up? So this is Mohit Agarwal here, and in this video I am going to discuss the prospects of CMA along with the CMA salary. What is the average salary that a CMA can expect in his job in 2021 and 2022. Now, lot of students were requesting, especially those who are already into CMA course, that sir, post-pandemic, sir, what are the job opportunities available, and sir, what average salary can we expect in the CMA course? And lot of the new students who want to join the course, they also wanted to know the average salary of CMA so that they can take a better decision whether to join CMA course or not. In this video, I am going to be discussing the average salary that a CMA fresher can expect, cost and management accountant fresher can expect. But before we start with this video, I would appeal to each one of you that do subscribe the channel, and not only subscribe, press the bell icon also, because you know what, if you press the bell icon, you are not going to miss out on any of the notifications, right? So do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and ask others also to subscribe. Okay, now let us start the video then. So the average salary that a CMA student after clearing CMA can expect, it ranges between 6 lakhs to 20 lakhs on the higher side. On the lower side, 6 lakhs per annum, and on the higher side, 20 lakhs per annum. This I am talking about a fresher. Okay. I'll be attaching one of the clips of my CMA student also who qualified CMA in the first attempt with All India rank. I would be attaching his clip also to prove that the average salary on the higher side is 20 lakh. On the higher side it is 20 lakh. Okay. And I'll be attaching a clip also that he was a fresher and how much salary did he get at the last stage of the video. But first let me talk about the average salary. So on the lower side if it is 6 lakh and on the upper side it is 20 lakh, the average salary somewhere comes around between 7.5 to 10 lakhs, because not many will be getting the salary on the higher side. Okay. But average salary for 90% of the freshers will be somewhere between 7.5 lakhs. And remember that it is only the starting salary. It's only the starting salary. It's your entry ticket into the corporate world, into the job sector. Once you get into the job, obviously you can hunt for better jobs, you can hunt for better profile, and if you are able to showcase your talent and skill in the same company in which you are working, then obviously within the trend suggests within 3 to 4 years, your easily your salary will be that 20 lakh mark per annum. But you need to showcase your skill and talent. You need to be indispensable for the organization. Yes, the starting salary will be somewhere around between 7 to 8 lakhs. But once you are, once you have proved your worth to the organization, it will be within 3 years. It will be easily 20 to 25 lakhs. But you need to showcase your skill and talent. And now, for those critics who say that CMAs are available at 20,000, give them one tight slap from my side. Yes, I allow you. That's not called salary, that is stipend that a CMA trainee earns before qualifying CMA. The articleship, the training period. Yes, under the training period, the CMA students are offered 8,000 to 20,000 stipend. 8,000 to 20,000 stipend is the range of the CMA students before qualifying CMA. So those persons who misguide the students about the CMA course, either they don't know the facts, or if they know the facts, they don't want you to do CMA just because of their vested interest, because they say, for example, they might be teaching other courses. That is why they don't want you to do CMA. That is why they underestimate, and it is true. I'll speak the truth, it is true. So you should absolutely boycott them. Either they are misguiding you, or they don't know the facts, or they know the facts, they are misguiding you, or they might be jealous that you may do CMA and they haven't. CMA is a hidden gold mine. Just go for it. Those who are stuck in the course, clear it. Those who want to join the course, most welcome. And if you don't come, no worries. Someone other will come and will take the gold out of this gold mine. So the prospects are absolutely bright even post-pandemic in 2021, 2022. But you have to get the knowledge. You have to clear the course. Sir, what if I get a rank? Then obviously your starting salary will be on the higher side, which means somewhere between 15 to 20 lakhs. Sir, what if I only clear in the first attempt? Then the average salary that I have said, 90% students are going to get 7.5 lakh approx package. Sir, what if I clear it in multiple attempts? multiple attempt, then obviously the lower bracket is 5 to 6 lakh. Below that you will not be able to work. At least that much amount you will be getting, and even you have cleared in multiple attempt, at least join in that salary, and then showcase your talent and skill. Within couple of years you will be back to the normal salary. I hope this video you have found it very useful, and now I am attaching a clip of one of my favorite students who also secured All India rank 8 under my guidance. I am sharing the clip, but before that, one good news for you all. One good news for the entire CMA fraternity, for all the students who want to join CMA course. Now Mohit Telecom Private Limited MEPL is offering all the subjects of CMA Foundation. All subjects of CMA Foundation are covered. All subjects of CMA Inter are covered under one roof, single roof. Thanks to our multi-talented faculties and experienced faculties, now we are catering all the subjects of CMA Foundation, all the subjects of CMA Inter, and the team also includes me. We have a team of 3 excellent faculties at the CMA Inter level, covering costing, accounting, law, audit, taxation. All the 8 subjects are covered at the CMA Inter level. CMA final level, right now we are providing law and cost and management audit, but very soon, just like CMA Foundation and CMA Inter, we are covering all the subjects under one roof all over India. Similarly, in CMA final, we'll be covering the remaining subjects as well. So do share this video. I hope this video motivates you, and do share the video with everyone. Okay, now here is the clip. Watch it.
Rank 8. ये खास इस सेमिनार के लिए आए हैं क्योंकि ये ऑलरेडी जो है, I think you went back to your hometown ना?
I am from Rourkela, Odisha, and I came just for this session. Sir ने बुलाया मुझे, and guys, literally बोल रहा हूँ, give your best, give your very hard work, because ये moment दोबारा आपकी जिंदगी में शायद आएगा, but ऐसा moment कभी नहीं आएगा कि आपको इतने बड़े-बड़े लोगों के साथ में share करना पड़ेगा stage. So just give your best. अपना time आएगा is a myth. अपना टाइम घसीट के लाएगा इज्जत में.
Then
job in ONGC Limited.
Government company ONGC Limited, as I said. And if you don't mind to share the package with them, yearly package. Starting. ये तो खाली start है. आप पहली बार job कर रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. I'm a fresher. I'm totally a fresher.
First time. Tell them the package.
So मेरा पैकेज 18.56 लाख है.
आप समझो चीज को.